Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LG Q70. First of all, open Play Store on both. Now you need to click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. When you're ready, get this app from this developer and open it. Now from this screen you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive at the bottom next to Send on LG. Now, on LG smartphone, click on the best option for you. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window. Now you need to go back to your Android and tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. Then choose Send next to Selected. You can also just click on one or a couple of files, I will go with that one, and tap on Send as well. Then choose Got It in the pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to input key. Then click on While using or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input key though, you need to tap on Input Key section on LG. Type in all of those numbers, you have a lot of time to do it. And connect using Receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!